about what is the DBMS, what is the table, what is the table in DBMS, how to create a table, what is the relationship, what are queries, what are reports, what are forms. First page, student has written introduction to DBMS. Introduction means you have to write what is DBMS, what is DBMS, database management system, where it is used, by which kind of people, and why do we use. You can see here it is written that it is used by the students, it is used by the professional to store the details in the form of tables. And these are the features of DBMS, that is redundancy of data. What is redundancy? Redundancy means reduction of the repetition of data is the redundancy. And inconsistency of data means data is said to be inconsistent if multiple copy of the same data do not match each other. If the phone number is different in account section and academic section, it will be inconsistent. Means suppose your name is there in one file, and in another file the spelling is wrong. Means whatever spelling is given in one file, for example one table is different than the number given in the another file, then there will be inconsistency. Redundancy means repetition. Inconsistency means when different data for the same person is given to two different places. The data has to be same, the data has to be uniform. Now the next page after that will be introduction to DBMS, I have told. Next is, see, student has given how he has made the database. First of all, you need to open, if you have already created a database. You can see here a student has created the database, new database 1, so he wants to open that one, so he will click on open an existing database. Now the next one is, this is open an existing database. You can see select a file or create a new database. Then opening Open Office Base. Now you have to open Open Office Base. So you will open Open Office Base. You can see Open Office 4. What are the things we can create? We can create a text document with the help of writer. We can create spreadsheet with the help of OpenOffice Calc. We can create presentation with the help of OpenOffice Impress. Then we can create database using OpenOffice Base, where we are using and where we are working on to create SQL queries and to create table and database. Now the next one is, after that we'll proceed by the screenshot. You have to take the database. This is the steps I am telling you how you have to create the database. If you will get any kind of project, then how you will make the project. Which are the things you will need to make a project. Now this is another one. Let me rotate this. Tables in database. So a student has created these many tables. You know that in OpenOffice Base we have create table in design view, create table in wizard view, and create view. And this is the query, this is the form, this is the report. We can create 4 different things in OpenOffice Base. First one is table, second one is query, third one is form, fourth one is reports. So next one will be this, tables in database. What are the table you have to create? So we can create a table using 3 views. Create table in design view, use wizard to create table, create view. Now the next one is, you can implement your idea and your techniques, whatever you have learned so far in the chapter. This differs according to the student, whatever they know. It can vary according to the knowledge of the student. Component of DBMS table: field, column, table, key field. These are the key fields. Agent code, agent name, working area, commission, phone number are the key fields, and column name, these are the which we have entered in the table. Now this is the table which a student has created. You can see this is the table. This is the table where the student has given registration number. Data type is number or numeric. Department, data type is text, varchar. Course, data type is text, varchar. Year of study, data type is number, numeric. These are the data type which are predefined only. You just have to click on the drop down. Here you will click on the drop down list and it will come by its own. Now you have to save the table name with some name. So I have given, or anybody can give the name of the table according to the requirement. Now the next thing is next column. Which column a student has, which table or which field or which database or which table a student has to make. He has made the table. He has made another table. Student management system, table 1, open office base table design. So like this you can create the database, and like this you can create different tables, and you can add relationship in the table. This is, click on the wizard view to create a table. This is the using wizard view. There are 3 ways through which we can create a table: using design view, using wizard view, and using views. So here students are creating using wizard view. In wizard view you can see select field, select type and format, set primary key and create table. Select field mein you have 2 options, business and personal. Select tables, you can see available field will be these many. When we'll click on this arrow, our requirement will be shifted here and we can see the things there. Click on the personal thing. So like this you can create different kind of fields in the project. So this is this is the final one where a student has created where a student has given the ascending or descending. It is not clear. You have to tell whether here grouping sort option mein you can provide whether you want to present your table as ascending or descending, and you will click on next and your table will be created. So this was a project how you can create in Open Office Base as a project. If you have got any project, then how you can create the project. So I hope you'll understand. Thank you very much.